what we get as a college student in Sherubtse. But in this cupboard, as you can see, it's a very huge one. So in my part, I have arranged my things in such a way. Peace giver is my love. I have my little green white screen on. I have my shoe rack, which is overloaded, and here it says dream big. All of my clothes. Kitchen section.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Manita as usual. So in today's video I'm going to do a room tour for my college room in Sherubtse, and there is also going to be a before and after session for this video because I'll be cleaning out the mess that I have created since a week. So let's wait for the room transformation, guys. Before moving on to the video, please subscribe to my channel and do like this video if you think it's worth it. Without wasting any time, let's move forward. So this is my room. As you can see, right now I don't have my room partner, so this is what we get as a college student in Sherubtse. Like, there is a bed. It depends, you get wooden bed or the metal bed. Because I am in third year, I have the privilege to get the wooden bed as I'm in the top floor. Then, oh my god, then we get a table and a chair, then a bookshelf which is right above your bed so that you keep your books, or you can use it as a cabinet for anything. Then next you get a cupboard. In this cupboard, as you can see, it's a very huge one, like your house. So let me show how is the compartment inside. As you can see, there is small cabinet, small sections over here, and you have the hanger section out here, and in the lower area you get two straight spaces. Then mirror you have to buy on your own. And so yeah, that's what we get as a college student in Sherubtse. And you get a big window, obviously, very big, huge window. So in my part, I have arranged my things in such a way. So yeah, to start with the cabinet. Excuse the lighting, please. To start with the cabinet, as you can see, I have kept my mini sling bags over there. I have my books from like almost a year. Then I have my peace giver, and there is my love. And out here above my head, this is a painting given by my friend, and out here I have the whole outline of my family, my sister and me, then my mom, dad and me, my friends, my family during my birthday, my mom, my brother, and that is a cute stuff given by my brother. And over here, bam, I have my junk section over here because sometimes crave things a lot. So yeah, and I have my bed over here, two blankets, We have to use 2 blankets right now, as in it's getting very cold out here. And on my desk area, I don't have much things. I have a boiler, then a very cute message holder sent by my friend. I have my notepad, my works on due. I have my goblet, then a laptop and a speaker which is currently on charge. And over here I have my little green vibes going on. I have a cactus, and I don't know what this is called, but this is a species of aloe vera, another kind of cactus which it was almost dead, but I tried to grow it, and look how cutely it's growing. It has got 4 babies. Out here I have my bag that I carried today. Then over here I have a small section where I keep all my wires and stuff, hot bag, wires, some important papers that I need all the time, and oh yes, AirPods. Then to move on to this section, I have my shoe rack, which is overloaded. It might collapse any time. Then I have my vegetable rack, vegetable stand, where there's a bunch of tomatoes, a little bit of chili and potatoes. Then this is this bucket. This bucket has my all dirty plates. Then over here a big bucket and heater, because it's, as I told you, it's getting cold here. Out here is my jewelry section, like earrings. I kept it here because I have to wear it all the time, and I don't have time digging into the container searching for earrings that match my dress every day. So here it is. Did a little DIY thing. Then here are my handbags hanging up on the ceiling. Oh yes, I forgot about this wall. Here I have my portrait picture done by my sister's friend. That's by another friend. That's a birthday gift. And here it says dream big, as I always do. And my love. Hello baby. Hi. So out here, moving on to the cupboard. Outside I have my bathrobe and my towel, which is always necessary to open on. Firstly, say hi. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Excuse it. Here, as I said, we have the hanger section. So I have almost all of my clothes, like 10% of, oh my god, I can't even say how much clothes I have. So I have right now my winter clothes hung over here so that I can easily access it. I have my jackets as in overcoats and all, and my winter pants, homeware over there. Then this is the very important section, as we have to wear kira every day, every single freaking day. So I have my kiras, and they are like literally so visible, so that I know what patterns I have, and I can mentally prepare on which I'm going to wear tomorrow, similar with the Wonju colors. And over here is a mess, because as lately I haven't got time to clean this and clear this mess. So here is my makeup section. That over here below the hangers, I have my teiko, as I said, so I can see every piece that I own. Then jeans and some fancy tops that I would wear outside. Out here is my kitchen section, and I have my cornflakes, chocos, chili pickle, and this cartoon has all the other edible things like cooking related. And here is my masala section, some drinking chocolate and oils, and zao container. Then oh hi, excuse me, I have my spoon section there. In the end, I have some another stuff. I have the everyday milk, then some onions, ginger, pickles, soap, then onion again. This has rice grains. I keep my cooking stuff like curry cooker and rice cooker. I have some extra sanitary pads that I need, my curler, and that is it. Over here I have my garments, undergarments, then some belt hanged. Over there I keep my trolleys, which are empty. This is not empty, this is not empty, other two are empty. Then lastly is this section. So as you can see here, I have my wires like curry cooker, rice cooker, boilers wire. Then over here I have my umbrellas, then broom, water heater, bags hung, and that is my dustbin which I just cleaned, that's why it's filled. And that's it for my room tour.
I said